trend here in Miami now. Everybody has a food truck. Oh. Is there pizza? Yeah, these are pretty high tech. You got big business these days. You got a Chinese restaurant. Chinese. Hello. Food trucks everywhere. Food trucks.